Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet. Now I'm going to show you how to make this little square, but you can use it for any project. Mostly it's used for like plushies and stuff. So to attach the yarn to the hook, I make a slip knot and just attach it that way. There are other ways of attaching it. You don't have to use a slip knot, but that's the one I use, so that's what I'm showing. So to start off with, I'm going to chain 10. So you're just grabbing the yarn and pulling it straight through the hoop that's already on the hook. And so I'm just going to make this little square. Obviously you can make it however bit long you want, but just for practice, 10's a nice little round number. Once you've done 10, you chain an extra one, so you actually do 11. Then you want to go through the centre of the 10th stitch. So you want to go through that with the hook, grab the yarn, bring it forward, so now you've got 2 hoops on the hook, grab the yarn again and pull it through both hoops. And that's your single crochet. And then you want to do this on every stitch going backwards. So you go through the centre of the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through the front, grab the yarn, pull it through both hoops. And because I'm done 10 chain stitches at the beginning, I have to do this 10 times, so you should end up with 10 stitches at the end of it. It's always good to count and recount. It's very easy just to look at it and go, oh, I've gone all the way across, and not really count it, because you could easily miss a stitch or accidentally put one too many on. So once you've done the 10, going back to the other end, we're now going to do the next row. So to do that, we chain 1 to give ourselves a little bit of height, flip your work over, and now we're going to go in the other direction. So now we're going to go into the last stitch we done. So this one, you go through, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn again, pull it through both hoops. And then we do that again. We do that through every stitch. And again, there should be 10 stitches. Unless you're following a pattern, then it should be whatever stitches they tell you. So you go through, pull the yarn to the front, grab the yarn again and pull it through both hoops. And that is literally it. So you get to the end of that row, again you chain 1, flip it, and then you start going back the other direction again. So I've done this for 10 rows with 10 stitches across, and I made a nice little square. So you can make like loads of those and make a little funky little patchwork quilt or something or other. Cushion cover, who knows. But like I say, that's the basic stitch. Now you know how to use it, and if you wanted to finish it off, you just chain 1, but you cut off any excess, and then you just pull that through, and then it tightens itself off, and then you can just weave in the ends. But that is the single crochet, really simple. Hope you can understand it, and we'll do the increases and decreases in my next video. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.